On the other side here, it's much more simple. Place branding is reputation management. And if it's a place that has some kind of meaning and some kind of identity to it, I think we should do reputational management on it, whatever our goals are in this case. Right? So again, the basics and the strategy. The reputation of the place is something we should monitor and try to manage, whatever our strategies, whatever our needs, because it's a resource that influences whatever we want to achieve. And that requires two very simple things that are incredibly difficult to pull off. On-brand behavior, so that's behavior in the place that helps bring the reputation in the desired direction. You can't do that if you don't know what the desired direction is or what it is right now. Right? So you need to know what is the reputation and have an informed opinion and ambition about where you would like to take it. And the other part is on-brand communication, which is not the same thing, right? This is what we do and this is what we say. And the funny thing is that most of what we say comes from what we do. Yeah? So when a city does something, when a city invests in something, builds something, changes its policy, that communicates. And oftentimes we tend to think that, you know, the promotion is the thing that communicates. No, the promotion is a story about the place with a certain business proposition oftentimes, whereas everything that happens in the place communicates. So this means that if we want to do reputation management, we basically need to monitor, evaluate, inspire, shape, discuss how the different choices we make in the city influences our reputation. If we do reputation management, we need to have an idea about what on-brand would actually mean. We need to be able to strategize on that. But we also need to be able to create a system where we actually, you know, think about how different actions would impact our reputation. Think about a mega event, attracting and organizing a really large-scale event, capital of culture of Europe or something. Yeah? Oftentimes that's done to enhance the reputation and the local ecosystem of the cultural sector in the place. And you would say like, well, if you know what you want to do with your reputation, then you can shape the program of that European capital of culture to help deliver that reputation. But what often happens is you don't know this, so you get the cultural capital of Europe or something like that, right? And then that creates its own dynamic, and then you start defining whatever the on-brand thing should be based from the mega event instead of using the mega event to deliver the reputation that you wanted.